Hello my friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and creamy strawberry dragon fruit jello. Perfect for the holidays, but first things first. My apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this amazing and delicious creamy strawberry dragon fruit jello, these are the ingredients. I have water, 1 cream cheese, condensed milk, 2 strawberry jellos, 1 clear jello, and of course the dragon fruit. This is everything we need, so let's get started. I want to start by preparing the mold. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of vegetable oil on the bottom, and with this napkin I am going to rub and grease all the pan. This is a very important step because if you don't do that, your jello is going to stick and it's going to come out awful. And now I am adding the hot water into this cup, and to this cup I am going to add the clear jello. I'm going to whisk it for about 3 to 4 minutes, making sure that it's dissolved completely. This is very important because the granules need to dissolve completely. I'm going to put it aside. And here I'm adding again hot water to another cup. And to this cup I'm going to add the 2 strawberry jello mix into it. Look at this. I'm going to add it in here. I'm going to whisk it for 3 to 4 minutes, making sure that the strawberry jello has dissolved completely. And once this is done, well, okay, we're going to go ahead, put it aside, and we are going to continue. I want to show you that I have the clear jello on this side and the strawberry jello on the other side. On the clear jello, I added 2 cups of hot water, and now I'm going to add 1 cup of cold water. I'm going to go ahead, add it in here, and then I am ready to start making this delicious, amazing, perfect jello with dragon fruit. And now on the pan I'm going to add about 1 inch of the clear jello way on the bottom. I'm going to take it to the refrigerator for 2 to 3 minutes. Just add a little bit. And now I am ready to start cutting my dragon fruit. This is a very small dragon fruit, but this one is red from the inside, and I am going to use it. Remember that these are organic from my garden. I'm going to go ahead, put it aside, and now I have half of the dragon fruit, but this one is white from the inside. Look how easy it is to take the skin completely off. All the pulp comes out perfectly. And now I am ready to go ahead and slice it. And you could slice it in little cubes. You could just slice it in thinly. You decide the decoration that you want to add to your jello. But here I'm just going to slice it thinly. I'm going to put it back. I'm going to reserve it. And let's see how the jello is doing. I'm going to go ahead and slice the red dragon fruit nice and thinly because this one is very small. In little circles, just like that. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, let's put it aside. And here I took out the mold of the jello. The jello is just slightly firm. I'm going to start adding the little pieces of the dragon fruit. I'm going to decorate it. Remember, you decide how you're going to decorate it, how you're going to add your dragon fruit into it. But here I just want to go ahead, add enough of it, and I'm going to pour a little bit of the clear jello. But just add a little bit, or else everything is going to start floating everywhere. And that's exactly what you don't want, okay? You want to add just a little bit, like half an inch of the clear liquid. And now that you added it, I'm going to go ahead, put it again on the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 minutes. When I pull it out, I'm going to go ahead and just add the rest of the clear jello. It's a little bit firm, but as you could see, the fruit is not moving at all. And now I'm just gonna add the rest of the clear Jello. Once you add the rest of the clear Jello, put it back in the refrigerator, leave it there for about 5 to 6 minutes, and then you're ready to pour the mixture of the nice and creamy Jello, strawberry Jello that we are going to prepare. I'm gonna go ahead, add everything in here. This Jello really comes out so pretty. Like I said, perfect for the holidays. The holidays are just around the corner, and why not? Let's enjoy this amazing, creamy, delicious dragon fruit strawberry Jello. Here on my blender, I'm gonna add 1 stick of the cream cheese. I'm gonna add 1 whole can of the condensed milk. The condensed milk really gives it an amazing flavor, and it's gonna be nice and frothy. And now I'm adding the strawberry Jello mixture. I'm gonna go ahead and I added 3 cups of hot water. I'm adding 3 cups of cold water. And I'm just going to add it to the blender. I'm going to blend it away until it's really incorporated. And it really doesn't take too long. Look at this. It's best if you blend it because everything is going to be completely blended. It's going to look perfect. And it really doesn't take too long when this is done. You pour it into your mold, and look, the next day you pull the Jello right from the edges slowly. Make sure that you wet your hands so it makes it easier. Even from the center, you're gonna push down slowly, and then once this is done, you are ready to just do what I'm doing right now. So it starts getting away from the mold, and get your plate ready. Wet your plate just a little bit. So when you put your Jello, you could arrange it as the way as you want. Look at this. I'm gonna go ahead, flip it over, and let's reveal. Let's see how the Jello came out. Look at this. This looks amazing. That's why you need to wet the plate so that you are able to move your Jello from one side to another. But this looks amazing. I can't wait to dig in. Look at this. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. Estoy grabando, hijo. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing and delicious strawberry dragon fruit Jello. Of course, I want you guys to be ready for the holidays. Enjoy this delicious and amazing dessert made at home with lots of love. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I didn't even want to dig in because it looks so beautiful. But of course, I need to taste. Excuse me. It's really creamy. The delicious flavor of the dragon fruit, the 2 combinations. You know something? It's perfection made at home. You could even feel those flavors of the dragon fruit. Just perfection. My friends, I want you guys to be ready for the holidays. Thanksgiving is around the corner. Christmas, New Year's. Make this amazing strawberry dragon fruit Jello. I know that your family is going to really fall in love with it. And like I always say, when you cook with love, everything comes out amazing. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this amazing strawberry dragon fruit jello. See you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.